Welcome students, welcome to new physical education class. So students, earlier in class you have learnt about what are tournaments. ठीक है जी? You have learnt about tournament like it's mentioned in your books that tournaments are mainly of two types: knockout, league, or round robin, combination and challenge. And you have done knockout, this combination and ठीक है. Then now we'll be discussing about league tournament. कि what do you mean by league tournament? ठीक है. First I'll revise that what is knockout tournament. Knockout tournament means any of the team which loses the match does not get another chance to play. Like what? Small example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose 8 teams are there. ठीक है? 1 will play with 2, 3 will play with 4, 5 will play with 6, 7 will play with 8. Then there will be one winner in this. Then it will be 2, 4, 6. Then 2 will play with 4, 6 will play with 8. Then 4 and 6. Then final match will be there. Then it will come to that winner will be 6. This is knockout tournament. Means any of the team which loses the match or get defeated means will not get another chance to play. Like what, there was match between 1 and 2 team, like what, and one has lost the match and second has gone ahead. 3 and 4, 3 has lost the match, 4 has gone ahead. Same in another case. So this is knockout. But this is not there in league tournament, which we will be discussing today. In league tournament, every team compete with each other irrespective of lose or defeat. ठीक है? If they have lost the match, again they will play with each other. ठीक है? They are divided into groups. I'll let you know. I'll teach you how. You might have seen in IPL. Suppose there are 8 teams in IPL. ठीक है जी? मुंबई इंडियंस, पंजाब दी भी टीम है, लॉयन किंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So they keep on playing with each other until unless they complete the matches then. ठीक है? One fixture is drawn and they compete with each other, and the highest point taker means those who have won maximum matches. ठीक है? And they reach the top. ठीक है? So I will be teaching you how to draw league tournament fixtures. ठीक है? So I'll again repeat it कि what are the league tournament? League tournament is that tournament in which the teams play with each other irrespective of win or defeat. ठीक है? Look, there are 3 types of league fixtures. One is staircase. It is mentioned in your book. One is staircase. This is the first method. Second is cyclic method. Third is tabular. We'll be discussing these two, cyclic and staircase. ठीक है जी? So I'll be teaching you how to draw a fixture with staircase method. Firstly, student, staircase. Suppose question comes, draw a fixture of, it is mentioned in your book also, draw a fixture of 9 teams. Draw a fixture of 9 teams using staircase method. ठीक है जी? Using staircase method. This kind. ठीक है जी? 9 teams. ठीक है जी? What you have to do? First, you have to write. According to examination point of view, you have to first mention this number of teams. That is 9. ठीक है. Then next is number of matches. There is one formula for this. N minus 1 over 2. N means number of teams. That comes to 9 into 8 over 2. That will come to 36. 36 matches. There will be 36 matches in this staircase method of 9 teams fixture. Then number of rounds. That is n minus 1. N means number of team minus 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 rounds. This is, I want to tell you this thing according to examination point of view. If question comes of 5 marks, this question can come of 5 marks. You draw a fixture of league fixture using staircase method for 9 teams. ठीक है जी? Then you have to write this thing first. In number of teams, number of matches, then this formula you have to apply, number of rounds, n minus 1. This thing can give you 2 marks. Understood? The question, then 3 marks will be of fixture what you have drawn. ठीक है? So I'll teach you how to draw a non for fixture for 9 teams. Firstly, what you have to do, write 1 1 8 times. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Write 1 1 8 times. Then write 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means 1 will play with 2. Different dates and venue is decided. ठीक है जी? Like what? This 1 will play with 2 also, 1 will play with 3 also, 1 will play with 4 also, 1 will play with 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, 9 also. Means, and same with the case of 2, then you have to draw this. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. ठीक है? Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है? Then third 3 3 3 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 4 4 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again same. Then 5 5 5 5 6 7 8 9. Then next 6 6 6. ठीक है? 7 8 9. 7 7 8 9. Then last 8 and 9. How many matches we have taken out like with this formula? 36. You have to count. You must count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36 as per your calculations. If it number comes to 35 or 34 means somewhere there is the wrong fixture you have to. You have to take it very seriously. You must make the counting or this count the things very carefully. If 9 teams are there, then you must this 1 1 8 times. ठीक है? That one. Then again 2 will play with 3. 2. Each and every team will be played at different day. Like what? Suppose you want to decide fixture. This team 1 and 2 will play on 14th August at 10 o'clock. ठीक है? Same 2 are the, suppose 3 and 4, 14 August 11 o'clock. There are many grounds. 4 4 5 5 ground. If these many of teams are representing in the tournament there will be huge number of grounds like 5 or 6, so that the tournament can be completed within less time. Otherwise there will different dates and timings are given, and the best teams, best 4 teams are taken out. Best 4 teams, like what those who have won maximum matches, ठीक है जी, then winner is decided. That can be Super League also, again they can play, or the person the team which tops the points tally, it wins, ठीक है जी. और थोड़ा सा घट हो that it comes second, और थोड़ा सा घट it will come 3. So this is staircase method. Like what this is staircase, that it is like stairs. Stairs are, so understood. So you must, for like for the same, if any question comes, you can, this was for 9 teams. Suppose again one thing is mentioned in your book, draw a fixture for 16 teams. It will be a huge problem. Okay? It will be a very big. If any question comes with draw need for 8 teams, you can make one less. Then then if there is written for 5, the number of teams 5, same formula is 5 into 4, 20. ठीक है, 10 matches will be there. ठीक है, if 10 matches will be there, then you can see that then how will you draw this fixture? ठीक है, you must draw like that only 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same staircase method. ठीक है, then you have to write 2, 2, 2. ठीक है, same you have to mention here also. Number of matches. ठीक है, how many matches? 10. Then how many rounds? 4 rounds. ठीक है, n minus 1. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है, next 3, 3, 4, 5. Then 4th. ठीक है, how many matches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 matches we have mentioned already. ठीक है, and how many rounds? 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. And this way you can draw staircase. ठीक है जी. So next is cyclic. Same thing will be mentioned in cyclic also. Suppose question comes, draw a fixture for suppose 8 teams using cyclic method. Cyclic method. ठीक है, cyclic means जड़ा घूम के वापस उत्थे आ जाता. ठीक है, so here same number of teams 8, same article it's mentioned in your book. ठीक है, number of teams 8, number of matches 8 into 7 over 2 is equal to 28. 28 matches will be there. How many rounds? 8 minus 7 is equal, and 1, 7. There will be 7 rounds. ठीक है, so how will you draw this? You have to write this first round. Means you have to fix, you must fix 1 at one place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means suppose first is Firozpur, second is Faridkot, third is Moga, fourth is Patiala, fifth is Gurdaspur, sixth is Mohali, seventh is Mansa, eighth is Jalandhar. Jalandhar will play with Firozpur, then Faridkot, different dates will be. In the morning they'll play at 10 o'clock, 2 matches can be there, different. Then second round. Number of rounds we have mentioned. Second round means one will be fixed at one place. One will not move. One will stay at this. You have to fix one at this place only. Then 8 will come here. You have to shift. Then 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Just make it sure that this should be in descending order. 8 then 7. Okay? Then third round. Fix 1 at one place. Then 7 will come at the place of 8. Then 7. Then 8. Then 2. Then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then the fourth round. Then again the same thing we have to repeat. Okay? Practice it at home. जरूर practice करो. ठीक है जी? Then you have to fix 1 and 1. 1. ठीक है जी? Then 6 will come. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. Like what? 8, 7, 6, 5. Then fifth round. ठीक है जी? Then 1 will be fixed at one place. ठीक है? देखो 1. Then 5 will come here like this. Then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 2, then 3, then 4. This comes to fifth round. Sixth round I will draw here. Sixth round. Same thing. Okay. 1, then 4 will come here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 2, then 3. Same. Sixth round. देखो 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then seventh round. Means 1 will be fixed at one place. ठीक है जी? Then it will come. 3 will come here. 4, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 2. And this will complete whole of the fixture. And fixture has been completed here. But it stops. Like what? How many matches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens are 28. 28 matches will be there. And 7 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rounds. Suppose this was for 8 teams. Suppose the question comes, draw a fixture for students. This I have drawn for 7 teams. So we have done earlier for 8 teams. Like what? Number of teams 7. Number of matches 7 into 6 is equal to 2 is equal to 21. There will be 21 matches. Okay? 21 matches. Then number of rounds. In the case of odd numbers, like what? 7 is an odd number. So there will be number of rounds as number of teams are there. Okay? So in this kind of odd fixture, what you have to do? You have to draw the fixture like that. That you have to mention one by. Okay? You have to mention one by over here. Like what? By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have done in the where teams are even, like what 8, you have fixed 8 over here. You have to fix by over here. Like what? By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Because 7 teams are there. Then 7 will come at under the by. Okay? Then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing you have to see that it should be in descending order. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There will be 7 rounds and there will be 21 matches. This will not be considered as match. 3 because they have got by. 3 versus by. Okay? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Okay? So there will be 7 rounds and 21 matches. And here it completes the whole fixture. Then we can do for draw it for 5 teams also, as it is mentioned in your book. I'll repeat it again. Just see. Suppose question comes for 5 teams. Draw a league fixture using cyclic method for 5 teams. What do you have to do? In this case, number of teams 5. Number of matches 5 into 4 over 2 means 10. Number of rounds as number of teams are there 5. Understood? So how will you draw this? If first we have to fix by and take a first round. Rounds will be 5. Okay? First you have to fix by over here. By. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, first round. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 will come at the place of 1. Second round. Okay? By will be fixed at one place. Okay? Then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. But just you have to see that it should be in descending order. 5, 4. Then third round by 4 will come at the place of 5, 4, 5, 1, 2 and 3. Same, then 3 will come at the place of 4, then fourth round. Means by, then 3, then 4, then 5, 1 and 2. Okay? Same in the case of fifth round. By, same 2 will come at the place of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will complete our this cyclic method fixture for 5 teams. How many matches we have just considered? Take around 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 10 matches. How many rounds? 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So these are the 2 methods. Okay? So today we have completed 2 staircase and cyclic method. So hope you have understood. Just practice it well at your home, because this comes with practice. One or odd teams you can, if you have any problem, just put that thing in your that easy class app. I'll do it again. We'll do it again. Okay. Thank you, students.